to our channel. So it's been 3 to 4 months that we haven't seen each other. The last video that you saw together was it going back to Newcastle together? Yeah, it was going back to Newcastle together. And I just arrived in Basingstoke on Saturday. Yeah. And we are going to go bowling today. So it's like a big bowling place in Basingstoke, and it's really fun. And we're going to play some bowling, and we're going to have fun. And
have a great time.
Yeah, we're going to show you around and put the comments down below who's going to win. Jasmin, George or Annalise. So we'll see you guys there. Bye!
So guys, this is the leisure park in Basingstoke. It's a big bingo there. Cinema hall there. So guys, this is a Basingstoke, a small town, but it's beautiful and quiet, very quiet and peaceful. So this is the cinema hall. And this is the ice skating. Guys, we are ready to play.
5 players, are you playing, Mum?
Yeah. So guys, we are playing 5 people. We booked already. So children are excited.
No, you go first. No, Mummy goes first.
Push it. Wow.
He's gonna get that.
Wow, that's good.
ready for zombie graveyard. Watch out for zombies.
Sorry, he hurt his hand. Are you okay? Are you okay? Are you okay for sure? Move your hand away. It is hard. Move your hand away. I've got two boys. George, you need to get one. I gave him
Who's
that.
win?
Huh? Move your point. I win. Look, that's it. That's it. Hold on, wait, watch. Yes! Yes! You won't be able to reach. Like this, look.
Anyone?
Yes, George!
What is it? Come on. What do you need to do, Lisa? How is it going to work, Jasmin? This one?
We've already done it. We got.
What is it? What are you doing? What is that?
We hit the clowns and we got tickets.
Ticket for what?
Yeah, look. What do we do with these?
So guys, we are going back now. We had a very amazing time.
Amazing.
Yeah, kids are enjoying a lot. So going back home now. So see you home. Guys, we are just back home now. Very exhausted. They had a good time. So thank you very much for watching our video. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
And like.
Till then, take care. Bye-bye.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.